All right, what are we gonna do with this bad boy? It's my friend Darius right here, so he decided to get into drifting. Used to be on a bike,
yes.
Used to be in a drag car.
Yep.
Now he's gonna see what drifting's all about, man.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna take this completely stock. What is this, 2004 you said?
Yep, 04.
2004 Z06 with the grandpa stripes. You gotta love that.
Yeah. We might have to hold on to those.
But yeah, we got some plans for this. Should have it done in about a month, just waiting on parts, and then once the parts come in, it'll just take me a couple weekends to do, so should be fun, man. All right, we got the Vet. We are headed to a spot to test it, see how it does stock trim. It's got an annoying belt squeak, but we'll sort all of that out when we get back to the house. Let's head to the spot. So we are at an undisclosed location. Actually, you can pan and show them. It's just an empty lot. So pretty safe environment, a little different than my normal videos. Obviously I like something a little more challenging, but this car is completely stock. It's a grandpa Corvette, as you can see. We got the grandpa stripes. We got the grandpa flaps, if you will. So this is a 2004 5th generation Corvette, so a C5. It's a Z06, but everything is stock trim. So we're gonna see how it drives, how it drifts actually in stock trim, and then we're gonna do some tasteful modifications such as an angle kit, dual caliper, some suspension work, and then it's really gonna open this car up, make it an amazing chassis to drift. So let's go ahead and get into it. See that fat neck?
It's beautiful.
Thank you. I just cut off the circulation in my head being like that for so long. I don't know, like I choked myself out by having my my fat neck engaged like that. Alright, so we're gonna set traction control off real quick. All you have to do is hit the active handling button. It sucks not having race seats and not having angle. This car does not want to transition very well, but let's go see what we can do. All right, let's go ahead and let her rip. There we go. There's this first spin out. Hi, semi. This car sucks! I hate how little angle this thing has. It's freaking terrible. have to freaking work. My God. I came for your ankles a little bit there.
You did. I had to jump back.
I want to do second gear, but it feels sketchy as hell.
Don't hit me. You're telling me I'm the one risking my life? No.
We're gonna try it again. Well, that was a hot mess.
That was a hot mess inside a dumpster fire, inside a train wreck.
So the reason the car kept spinning out, this, believe it or not, this is full lock. If I had to guess, I would say that's maybe 25 degrees of steering angle. Like, that is horrible. So the only way to keep the car from spinning out is to left foot brake every transition, which is stupid. Like, I just want to go fast is all it is. But that kind of proves the point that setup is everything. So if you don't have the car dialed in or set up properly for drifting, it's really not going to happen. Now, we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're not going to overbuild this car. We're just going to throw some angle at it. You really don't need a hydraulic handbrake, but it does help, especially if you get into tandems and stuff like that. So I definitely want to build this car right for my friend. That way I can have him driving with me. I can put it on his door, he can put it on mine. We're going to do a couple more laps just to try to feel the car out. Hopefully get some transitions down a little better. Maybe get Nicole to do a couple donuts as well. And then we're going to take it to the shop and get started on it. All right.
Oh no.
Alright, maybe we'll let her cool down a little bit. Don't want to burn her out. This thing sucks drifting stock. You have to go so slow to like keep from spinning out. What's happening? So LS probs, car's overheating, but it's freezing in Florida, so Nicole's getting some warmth from it. This thing is horrible with factory angle. Cannot wait to get some angle on this thing and actually drive it fast, because you can tell it's gripped up, but it just does not want to turn. I have to literally, if I let go of the left foot brake at all, the car just wants to spin, because I'm at full lock every time. I don't ever get off of full lock, but we'll get it right. Might do just a couple more donuts and then we'll take her home. All right, so you're gonna give it a shot now.
This is a terrible idea.
It's a great idea. So go ahead and get in there and get comfortable.
We got a problem.
Can you not reach?
No.
These grandpa legs are too long. You know what else is too long? How long I'm waiting for you to get ready. You can go more. Yeah, is that good? All right. Let me close the hood here. Go ahead and get buckled. All right, that side's good. That side's good. You buckled up?
No, I'm thinking this is a terrible idea.
No, it's a great idea. You go ahead and set the GoPro on. Good?
This is a terrible idea.
It's gonna drive so smooth in comparison to the Camaro, so you'll be fine. So I'm gonna have you get out in the middle. Now remember, you got all this space over here, and when you wanna stop drifting, just push in the clutch and get on the brakes.
Are you not gonna be in the car with me?
No,
This is such a bad idea.
you got this.
This is a terrible idea.
You got this. If you need to, drive down and back just to like get a feel for the clutch, but you're gonna stay in first gear. Just remember everything I taught you. You understand the concepts of driving manual, and you've done a donut in my car.
I feel like I would like to watch you doing
No, you're fine. So clutch in,
it. I feel like I would like to get a ride with you.
clutch in, clutch in.
Then.
All right, first gear.
Terrible idea.
First gear. Let her eat.
Why?
First gear. There you go. And then slowly let it out and bring the RPMs up. This one's gonna drive much smoother. And then like I said, just drive down there and turn around and come back just to feel it out. Once you let the clutch out, when you drive down there, once you let the clutch out, you really don't have to push the clutch back in. So once you get rolling and you're in first gear, you literally just cruise down there, make a wide turn around, and come back. You got this. Yeah, you really don't need to give it much, like 1500, and then slowly let the clutch out. There you go. See how easy it is in comparison to mine? There you go. All right, is traction control off? No, so hit the middle button once.
Do I hold it down?
Just hit it once. Traction and handling off. All right, cool, so you're good. So, I would say literally right here is fine. Probably stay away from the grate. It's not gonna hurt you, but it's gonna eat the tires up quicker. But I would literally I would drive around, and then like right here, I would start to turn, and then just floor it. And the car's gonna spin out, but that's okay, just stay in the gas. Stay in the gas, and remember what I said, you're gonna turn left, and when you feel the car break loose, let go of the steering wheel so it'll counter steer a little bit, and then just stay in the throttle. All right, more throttle is better. And if you're about to crash, clutch in and brake. No, you're gonna be fine, I'm just kidding.
Okay, but wait.
Huh?
Can I like ride with you first?
No, just knock it out real quick. Knock it out real quick. Knock it out real quick. All right, go ahead and drive in circles a couple times. Come on, Grandma. Now, once the clutch is out, leave it out. So now that the clutch is out, leave it out. All right. Yeah, so just drive in circles a little bit. There you go. You're killing it. Donuts out here. All right, now floor it. Turn and floor. Turn and floor it. Turn and floor it. Keep it floored. Turn, floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Just, I'm gonna be okay. Floor it. Floor it right now. 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 Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Come on. Floor it. No, you're not. Floor it. Floor it right now. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it.
A few moments later.
These are the weakest fucking donuts I've ever seen in my entire damn life. I've never seen such weak ass donuts. Oh my God. Fucking floor it right now. You're walking home if you don't floor it right now. I'm not gonna be in the way. Floor it, I promise. Floor it right now. Right now you're good. Floor it right now. Floor it, 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 floor it. Yee-hoo! All right, down, 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 down. Yes! Yes! Look at all the smoke! And you hit limiter! Now tell me that wasn't fucking exciting. How fucking exciting was that? I thought you were gonna be done after the first one, but then you started just letting her eat off limiter. I was like, oh my God. That was awesome. Yeah, so stock angle fucking sucks. All right, I'll go ahead and rep a fat second gear burnout. Nice job. Second gear. Oh, it's been sitting here. Jesus. The smoke in the cabin's incredible. Nice work. Grandpa strap right here. This is a must in a Corvette. Now that we left a huge smoke trail, laid down some fat stripes, we probably need to get the heck out of here before Policia comes. So if you guys like this video, if you want to see more of this Corvette, the angle kit, the dual calipers, the handbrake, everything we're going to do to make this a drift car, we're not going to put more than, like, I'd say probably $3 grand into it, and it's going to be a solid car. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more. See you guys. Thank you.